So while everyone has been shouting about the 8K capability of the X4, Insta360 has released a new resolution option called 5.7K Plus. Well, what is it? How does it compare? Why have they done it? And should you use it? Let's take a look. The 5.7K Plus sits in between the 5.7K option and the 8K option. It's better than 5.7K, but not quite as good as 8K. And it's not until you zoom in that you can really notice the difference between the image quality. The file size is bigger than 5.7K but smaller than 8K. Of course, 8K resolution inevitably requires a lot more processing, so this new resolution format, the 5.7K Plus, sits in between and gives you a middle ground option, which makes it more compatible with more mobile phones, especially older phones that may have been struggling with these larger files. So how does it work? Well, it works by using a process called oversampling, and there will be those of you out there that can explain it way better than me, so please feel free to comment below. The X4 records the footage using the full capability of the camera. So the camera can record up to 11K when we shoot time-lapse, so the camera is effectively using the 11K capability of the camera to record the video file. It's then only reduced to 5.7K and gets compressed when it's exported. To quote Insta360, oversampling uses high-quality sensors to obtain more information and then optimizes the output to low-resolution videos through algorithms to improve image quality. Because it uses the camera's full processing power to create the images in the first place, this is how, when we export, that we're able to get better image quality than just standard 5.7K. I know what you're thinking, so how is 5.7K footage captured? Because surely that's captured the same way. It uses the full processing power of the camera. And I could give you a very technical answer here, but the truth is, I've no idea. I would only use this new 5.7K Plus resolution if your phone can't handle the high resolution files. And if you're shooting in low light, then I would use the standard 5.7K resolution, not the 5.7K Plus. With 5.7K Plus, you're also limited on your frame rate up to 30 frames per second. So if you want to record in slow motion, then again, you're going to have to use the 5.7K resolution option. What do you think about this new resolution option? Does it help, or has it just made things more confusing? But there may be some other features that you may have missed with the X4, so you want to watch this video next to find out what they are, and I'll see you over there.